Welcome to our video on why your kitchen sink won't drain even when it's not clogged. We'll explore common causes and solutions to help you resolve this frustrating issue. One reason your sink may not drain is a problem with the sink drain itself. Corrosion or improper installation can decrease drainage efficiency, even without a visible clog. Low water pressure can also affect drainage. If the pressure is too low, it may not push waste through the pipes effectively, leading to slow drainage or blockages. In commercial settings, high-volume usage can lead to a buildup of food particles and grease. Regular maintenance and professional plumbing services are essential to prevent drainage issues. If DIY methods fail, it's time to call a professional plumber. Contact drain experts at 909-333-9469 for customized solutions to get your sink draining properly again.